Hey, what's up, dudes and dudettes? It's Chef Bags from Heavy Metal Kitchen, and I'm going to show you guys how to age rum in oak barrels. Now, the first thing I want to address is, yes, I am indeed in my pajamas right now. The reason for that is that I have 2 kids under the age of 5 years old. When you have 2 kids under the age of 5 years old, you don't get the kitchen to yourself too often unless they're in bed. Go to sleep up there, you little bastard! Now, the first thing you're going to need is a funnel. If you don't know what a funnel is, I don't know how the rest of this video is going to help you. The next thing you're going to need is an oak barrel. This is a 1-liter oak barrel. You can find these in a number of places online. They usually run anywhere between $35 and $50. The next thing we're going to want is some sherry wine. It doesn't have to be too fancy, but the reason we're choosing sherry wine for this is because it is a nice sweet wine. This is going to sweeten up your rum just a little bit, and it's going to add some nice nutty notes to your rum that will pair very, very nicely with the taste of the oak barrel as well. The next thing we got here is a nice little single-serving bottle of root beer liquor. This is going to add in as flavoring as well. And the reason we're choosing root beer liquor is whatever you choose to flavor your rum, or whatever it is you're aging in an oak barrel, it should be alcohol. You don't really want to put too many things in that are not alcohol, or else you run the risk of spoiling your liquor rather than making it taste better. And lastly, of course, we need our rum. I'm choosing Captain Morgan's white rum, but you can choose any rum that you like. Now, I will say, choose a rum you actually do in fact like, because aging does not make a bad liquor into a good liquor, but it can make a good liquor into a great liquor. So don't go buying some cheap stuff just to save a buck, thinking you're going to turn it into something awesome, because that is not how this works. Now, the first thing you're going to do is put your funnel in the bung hole. Yes. The hole at the top of the cask is called a bung hole.
I am the great Cornholio. I need captain for my bunghole.
The first thing I'll add is the sherry wine. That is about 3/4 of a cup. I add that in first because it's the only thing that's getting measured. Now we're going to go for our little bottle of root beer. Again, this is just nothing but flavoring. It's going to give you some nice root beer notes in that. Then we're going to add the rum until the whole cask is full. Now the only thing left to do is play the waiting game. You can let this sit and age for anywhere between 1 and 4 months. Just let yourself know that the longer you let it age, the more liquor you are going to lose in the process of evaporation. So I like to say that 2 months is right around a good amount of time for that. So I will see you guys when that is finished and make another video of myself bottling it.